Max Stirner does not use the term ego in his work, nor does he engage with the psychological notion of an ego as part of the mind or as a specific concept of a continuous, eternal, or permanent self. Instead, Stirner emphasizes that each of us is unique, einzig, the only ones of ourselves, because we never appear twice in the world. This uniqueness, Einzigkeit, does not imply that one's individuality is superior to others or that being einzig is an exclusive trait. It simply reflects that every individual is the only you or me at any given moment. Stirner explores this idea in Stirner's Critics, where he explains that the word einzig functions more like a demonstrative pronoun than a conceptual category. It points to this particular you, who you are right now, capturing the finite, mortal, temporary, and constantly changing nature of the self. In this sense, Einzigkeit is not a fixed identity or essence but a way to refer to the dynamic, momentary who of an individual. In the final section of The Unique and Its Property, Stirner clarifies that the term Einzig answers the question who are you, rather than what are you. This distinction highlights that the concept is descriptive and immediate rather than theoretical or abstract. Since Einzig refers to the particularity of an individual without defining what that individual is. Each use of Einzig uniquely addresses the individual in the moment, without reducing them to a universal category or fixed concept.